Alright, now we're in skill 26, and here we're going to be using the power reducing and half angle formulas. On number 7, I even tell you which ones to use. I say use the power reducing formulas to rewrite this as an equivalent expression with no powers greater than 1. So you can see right now it's got these powers that are greater than 1, so we need to work on that using the power reducing formulas. So here's what we start with. I'm just going to write it down. And we're going to have to substitute something in for the sine squared and the cosine squared. And the 8's just going to hang out front. So for my sine squared, I look at my identities and I know it's 1 minus cosine 2x all over 2. And while I'm at it, I'm going to go ahead and put my 8 over 1 so I realize that it's a whole number in the numerator. My cosine squared is exactly the same as sine squared, except it's addition in between the two. So you can actually see, oh, that should be an x, that these are conjugates. So something interesting is going to happen with that in a moment. So let's go ahead and first of all cancel this 8 and this 2. So we have a 4. And we can also cancel this 4 and this 2 and get a 2 out front. So that's all we're going to have left. And now we just have these two quantities times each other. When you have quantities, you need to double distribute. So we're going to have 1 plus cosine of 2x minus cosine of 2x minus cosine squared of 2x. So here's what I said. There's something interesting that's going to happen. When you multiply conjugates, the middle terms cancel one another out. So all we have now is 2 times 1 and 2 times negative cosine squared of 2x. So I'm going to go ahead and distribute that. Now here's the thing. We have to reduce the power again because this guy is greater than 1. So we're going to use that cosine identity one more time. We're going to have 2 minus 2 times 1 plus cosine of, and what happens in the identity is it doubles the angle. So we have 2 times 2x for our angle now, all over 2. I'm going to go ahead and write my 2 out front over 1 so we can see it's in the numerator, and these guys cancel. So we have 2 minus 1 minus, because this negative sign distributes, cosine of 4x. So our final answer, we would combine these like terms, the constants, and we would get that 8 sine squared x cosine squared x can be boiled down to 1 minus cosine of 4x. And that's it.